Hello guys! Unboxing video ulit tayo. So this time, i-unbox natin itong Pop-Up Parade Killua Zoldyck from Good Smile Company. So ito yung front ng box. In front, makikita nyo yung Good Smile Company logo, Hunter x Hunter logo, at saka yung Muse sticker. Here's what you see on the left side ng box. And then on the right side, then ito naman yung likod ng box. Siyempre silipin din natin yung ilalim. And finally, yung ibabaw ng box. Now we're ready to unbox this figure. Inside the box, meron tayo nitong ating figure and then yung base stand. So, open lang muna natin to. Note that at the bottom of the base stand, you'll see embossed letters and numbers. So, you have here the Made in China embossed letters, and above it, I think, is the license number. So, this figure that we have is indeed authentic. Yung license number pala na nakikita nyo dyan, that is similar to the Poryu Noodle Stopper figure if in case you were able to get one. So, pwede nyo i-compare. So, eto na yung ating figure, Killua Zoldyck from Hunter x Hunter. Nakakatuwa na nilagyan ni Good Smile Company ng lightning effect itong ating figure. And aside from that, they add some purple shading on Killua's hair. Kahit na walang masyadong shading dun sa skin, sa damit, sa short, sa shoes ni Killua, I think it still looks good. Nga pala guys, one important thing that you need to note is that this figure doesn't have any embossed letters or markings. So those embossed letters and markings, you'll find that at the bottom of the figure's base stand, yung pinakita ko kanina. Now let's combine this figure with the base stand. Ang ganda at ang astig pa rin tingnan itong figure na to kahit nasa base stand. So ready na to ilagay sa ating mga glass cabinet. Kunin naman natin yung height nitong ating figure. So the height of this figure is approximately 5.75 inches. For the length, this figure's length is approximately 3.5 inches. And finally, for the width, again, it's approximately 3.5 inches. For the weight, this figure weighs approximately 110 grams. Now let's give Killua an electrifying quiet time. And that ends my unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. Godspeed!